Ooh, I done got tired already. Maybe I should have used a bigger comb. It's too late now. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. I'll take this robe off because it's interfering with me getting to the back of my head. Okay. I think we got something here. All right, hair is combed down. Okay. Now let's try to do some little shink the dinks in the front. Like my stylist be doing. Okay. We got something. This ain't gonna work, y'all. It's giving. I'm gonna try one more time. It's giving cat daddy. That's what I feel. Yeah, I'm gonna book my appointment now. Cause this gonna look like that fairly easy because it's practical shaved down. What that one look like, y'all? Hey, listen. Cause I could just throw a wig on tomorrow if it don't work. Well, we'll know tonight, yeah. Cause I'm finna sit up under this tray. Yeah, that don't look right. Something's going on. At least my hair clean, so that's what matters. Clean. Okay, let's try these little wraps. I don't know what I'm wrapping it for. I think I got the concept, it's just the execution is not there. Did I let the top out? I don't know. Yeah, let me go and put a website up so I can do it right now. Am I supposed to leave the top out? Yeah, I think that's good as it's gonna get. All right, let's go sit under the dryer. It's not dry all the way. That's a nice try. All right, let's see what we're working with. Well, it is what it is. Not too shabby. It was good for the first time. We'll get better at some point. Well, yeah. Okay, so I'm hungry. So let's go cook some din din. I already had it marinating. So it's been marinating for a day now. So that chicken should be packed full of flavor. I'm gonna get my iPad so I can watch this movie. And we're gonna cook, so come on, y'all. Meet me in the kitchen. Okay, here we go. Oh, I probably need my charger. Yikes. Okay, so I'm cooking bourbon chicken and cilantro lime rice. So I got the rice, so I think that's the first thing I'm gonna put on. Is the rice. Okay, so let's get started. For every cup of rice you put double a cup of water. I think that's how you explain it. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of rice, so I'm gonna do 3 cups of water. And you gotta let it bring it to a boil and then add the rice. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's bring this water to a boil. And y'all, I'm so ashamed of my Paris Hilton pots. Because when my sweet goddaughter and her friend were cooking, them pots burnt up. So I'm about to try to scrub them with some Dawn. I've been letting them soak. So we're gonna see if that helps. But if not, I'm gonna just buy some new ones and let those be for cooking. Like just cooking. And then having a set just to host. Yeah.
Was big enough to fit a village up under that sucker. She's not under the table.
All right. Water has been brought to a boil, so let's add the rice. I don't have a strong arm, and I'm using jasmine rice, Walmart brand. rice down some. And let me clean up the rice that's on the stove. Let me show y'all the mess I made just now. It's on the floor too. Okay. Okay, we got 2 done. The rice, I'll insert the recipe. I'll link it down below. And the rest of the chicken is cooking. I just tasted a piece of this chicken, y'all. And when I say it is so good. Woo-cha! Okay, gotta finish cutting up this chicken. Got the butter in the pan to get ready to make the sauce.